Hold on, not yet, not yet. Give me two more tunes. Hey Jim, you ready? Come on, man.
We're on the strip, Boulevard Strip, Negril. Evening setting.
All right. This guy wowed the crowd last time. We're gonna give him a chance to do it again.
Well, thank you, Chicago Joe. Okay, well, this is a song I wrote and recorded last year, and where I'm from.
Kirkwood Daily, Vinny's Bar and Grill.
And it's a song that basically acknowledges all the challenges. Well, you might as well try to laugh at them because you'll catch on what. Sing along with me if you want. None of you know the lyrics to it, so you can't sing along those parts. But if I screw them up, you won't know that either, right? So, okay. Brother, accident prone, I'm more than my share of broken bones, my body. So fast with my brain, I seldom engage with, so got a lot of pain. The mother said, Jimmy, why don't you slow down? I can't walk. My motor's turned on, so when I was a kid, I got my head on my eyes. Broke my septum when I got into a fight. Pressed my reach between two cars. Split my cranium running into a wall. The only thing to say from this sense of it all is that I'm still vertical. I turned it up and not using what I'm fracturing fingers. Bone skin, I got metal. From that to the ass, I spent a few months
outside. It's a and get your jerk.
Sense of it all is that I'm still vertical.
So guys, I'm at Negril Trios Club, walking down to the beach. And this is what it looks like. Nice little hotel, little cabins. Nice greenery. Very peaceful in the morning here. It's time for breakfast. So as you can see, this is in Negril. Very nice place. Lots of cottages around the lobby area. Very nice. And like I said, it's in the morning. The parking lot is here. Over there you have, this is the parking lot, guys. You can park your car right here. Front entrance is over there. And if you look over there, you can see the sea. This is the gift shop right here. And the lobby area is over here. There's a swimming pool over there, and you can get your gifts over there. And we have a little tennis court right here, and the sea is right there. Your lawn chairs, and we are heading for breakfast. I think it's buffet style. Look over there, buffet style. This is my outfit of the day. Very nice. Place. Look how beautiful this place is. Good breadfruit trees, coconut trees. The pool is right here, and you also have a jacuzzi right close to the pool.
I see some sun for you, man. He goes on an ice boat. I'm here on vacation. We know where the family is sleeping. I like to see the fish.
How you doing?
More on the mess. She said I like to see the fish. Another day.
This is the bar area, guys. pool is right here. Nice big pool. Kitchen is right over there. It's in the morning about after 8:30. It's in the morning about 8:30, so it's a bit quiet. Later on, everything will just start popping. People are now just eating breakfast. Chairs, lunches are over here. If you want your massage, the massage booth, it's right over there in that area there. Sea is so calm and beautiful. Wow. Man, Jamaica is really pretty, particularly Negril. Negril is so beautiful. Look out there, take a look in the distance. How beautiful that is. Very picturesque.
Make a nice video.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do.
Yeah, man, but it should come out good.
Yeah, it should.
You take the ocean too?
Of course.
Ah, that's good. Just relax,
Are
man.
you just strolling?
Yeah, just come and stroll, man. We have it nice, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
That's how we can
I
have
just
it.
said it in my video, man. Negril
Yeah.
is so beautiful.
I tell you.
Wow.
So you live here in Negril?
No,
Nah.
no. But I'm Jamaican.
Yeah, I'm Jamaica too, but I live in Sweden, but I'm from Portland.
Sweden?
Yeah.
Ah.
So with my wife, so we just have
Oh,
a...
that's your wife over there?
Yeah, man, but I come
Ah.
to Jamaica, you meet people.
Well, I'm putting you in my video.
All right, that's good.
Yeah, so this guy is from Sweden. What's your name, sir?
Stanley, Mr. Stanley.
Stanley. Nice
Yeah,
to meet
man.
you, man. All type of people is in
Yeah, and
Jamaica.
you, what part of you from Westmoreland?
I'm from Westmoreland.
Well, that's good, man. We are
You're
black.
from Westmoreland?
No, I'm from Portland.
Oh, Portland. You
Port
said it. You said
Antonio.
it. I never been to Portland. Is it nice up there?
Yeah, man, it's very nice.
Yeah, that's what I was telling my friend there, man. I don't want to be in Negril all the time.
No,
I want to go
you
somewhere
can somebody
else.
drop you over Portland and go to the
Is it
Mockingbird.
close to Ochi, right?
Yeah, you go Ochi and then you go around Buff Bay and then
Uh-huh.
you come to Portland, Long Bay. You just stay for a night over if you want.
Yeah, that's what I want to do.
Yeah,
I
man.
want to know. I want to go to Ochi.
Yeah,
Ochi Reyes. I don't know about Portland for now.
Yeah.
Because I don't have long hair.
yeah.
But I definitely want to know all around
Yeah.
Jamaica.
I've been the whole parish here.
Wow.
There's no, because when I was a small boy, my father was on the buses, so they take me all over.
Yeah.
St. Thomas, Portland, St. Catherine,
Oh, lucky you. Lucky you.
Westmoreland,
Lucky
White
you.
House. I know the whole area.
White House, we just went there to get at the border
Yeah.
to get fried fish and
Yeah,
bami.
to St. Elizabeth.
Yes, we did that one.
Yeah.
But that's pretty much it. We always in the grill.
No, man.
I
you have
want
to
to go
move
back.
out. And you know, from Negril, there's a place named Zimbabwe, 40 minutes.
Zimbabwe.
Yeah, Zimbabwe.
Oh,
Just
really?
up in the mountains, yeah. You get fresh, you know, you're in the countryside.
Really?
One of the taxi guys can take you.
But you do know there's another place upcoming.
Yeah.
It's very big. It's a racetrack.
Yeah.
Jam West.
Yeah, man.
You heard about it?
Yes.
You should go there. Line, they have the ATVs.
Yeah,
A horseback ride into the sea.
that's right.
And something for the kids.
Yeah.
They have the water park and everything down there.
That's right.
Yeah.
So that's it, and Mayfield Fall.
Yes. So
Yeah, man.
there's lots to see. What Sweden is like.
Well, Sweden is a very different place. It's not a lot of black people, and the language is difficult, but it's a nice place. It's similar to Canada.
Oh, I love Canada. I've been there one time.
Yeah, they have a good social system. You don't have to be rich. If you're sick, they take care of you.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
good
yeah.
pension. You know, it's a good. So, yeah.
Man,
You
I
should
like
take a
I
trip
like-
sometime.
Yes, I will. That's my dream. I want to travel the
Yeah,
world.
man, it's good to travel.
Yes.
All right, brother. Good man. Meet new people and things like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Yes,
Your
same.
lovely wife.
Yeah, man. She's
Uh,
just come. You know, she's been many times. First time she came here was 80
Oh,
when my
okay.
parents was alive. And
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Good. Because I plan to retire here.
Yeah, Miss Gail. She's the black woman who owns it.
We're here.
Yes.
It used to be Jimmy Jackson.
Yeah, but they were married, but he died.
Oh,
She's married.
I don't know the lady.
Yeah,
Is
man.
she here?
Yeah, she's here. I
Oh,
wish I could have introduced you to her.
What's her name, Miss?
Her name is Gail.
Miss
Gail
Gail.
Jackson. Gail
Oh.
Jackson. So
Oh,
she's very,
wow.
very nice, man. You should talk to her. She
Yeah,
have
that's what I'm saying. Because I know it was Jim. I
Jimmy.
didn't even
She
know
was
it
married
was
to
Jimmy.
him.
Somebody told me.
Yeah.
I met his son, and he was like, my father is Jimmy Jackson, the owner of this place. And I'm like, what?
Yes.
I was wondering who owned this.
Yeah, man. So
And
it's
this
a black.
place started out with one little house in a tree, right?
Yeah, just through
And
that
then
time.
look how big this is.
Big distance.
Man.
So you must tell her stand with Mr. Cummings. Tell you, you speak to him and she's very good. She can,
Yes.
And then by Cocola Palm.
Yeah, I
down
stayed
here.
at Cocoa Palm also.
You stayed here?
Yes.
No?
No, before.
Yeah, it's Mr. Vasily, the black
Yeah,
man.
I spoke to Vasa. I know
Yeah,
Vasa.
man. We
Yes.
meet, so you must come down and we have a drink
All
sometime.
right, good. So you're staying there at Cocoa
No,
Palm?
I stay by Sharila Inn. It's
Oh,
a black man,
it's
Mr.
a-
Grizzle.
He's still alive?
Yeah, what you mean you
I
must
used
come
to
over?
work there a long time ago.
You're joking?
Yes.
Come over, man.
All right,
So
good.
if you come around sunset, 6,
Yes.
man, and then we sit and
All
talk.
right, good, good.
All right?
All right, take
All
care.
right,
Nice
then.
meeting you. Not for Vasa, but Charlotte's in.
Sharila Inn,
Yeah.
his wife was from France.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, then.
Take care. All right. So I just met this nice guy. He's Jamaican, but he's living in Sweden, married to a Sweden lady. And very nice guy. We were holding a conversation. So guys, this is a pretty little place. Nice. I could recommend this place for you. Full breakfast, guys. Comes with your room, like continental breakfast you get, but it's full continental breakfast. You get everything out here. You know, you get kalalo, you have fried dumpling, anything you want. It's not just sweet pastry. You get a full package here. So I would recommend you, apart from the nice rooms, the breakfast, it just got me with the breakfast, man. It's too much to eat. Lots, different varieties of food. You're not limited as far as the continental breakfast goes. So come on down, check this out. I recommend this to you guys. The rooms are very beautiful and everything is here. Quiet, not too noisy. It's next door to Cocoa Palm and Margaritaville, guys. Nice. This is a nice, beautiful vibe you can get here. So this is how the cottages are looking. Very neat and nice. And we have right here we have a mango tree, really loaded with young mangoes, not ready as yet. I don't know what kind of a mango. This is what the mango tree is looking like, guys, and the cottages are all here, different location. So it's a pretty big place, but the cottages are scattered all over the property. It's not like a big building, like one. It's not like a one structure. It's like cottages spread all over on the property. So this is one. This is how they're looking, upstairs and downstairs. And from my balcony, this is what I'm looking at, the big mango tree, well loaded with fruits. See? And then we have like a little swing. We have a little, like, I think you call it hammock. You have your little table outside here on your balcony. Little chairs. And you have a little view going on here towards nice palm trees. Very family friendly. Very tropical. Fruits are here, breadfruit trees, lemon trees, coconut trees, banana trees, all the fruits are here. intermingling with the flowers. And it's just like a family settings, guys. See, as you can see here, we have a little hammock here. You can sit here and just, you know, hold a vibe, chill. And this is on the balcony area. Nice place. Negril Jamaica. So guys, this is one of Treehouse Club rooms. So we have like a nice little sofa over there. It's like a sectional, and over there you have like a big dresser, multifunction. You have the refrigerator under here. If you open here, there's your refrigerator inside there, all tucked away. You have a little sink here, and you can, I think this function as a dresser slash whatever you want to do. Make your coffee here. You have the telephone right there, and over here nice drapes, window, big windows, and look at the rooftop, guys. This place has like a round shape. This is your chandelier right here, and your couches here. And what else is here? You have your closet here, really big closet. Iron board is there, and iron. And it's like a walk-in closet. As you can see, your pillows up there and your clothes rack. And you have a safe here. You have your safe here that you can close up and put your valuables in there. Then you have the floor, nice tiles on the floor. You have the big king size bed right here. This is what it's looking like. And then you have this like a little table here with the TV. The TV is right here, and a little two bedside tables with each has one lamp. And over here you have a big chair in the corner here. You have this big sink area right here with two face basins. See? Two big mirrors right here. And this is your toilet over here. So this is very spacious. This is a big room. We also have the microwave here. If you had a stove here, this is somewhere where you could cook, guys. This is very beautiful. And also we have the shower over there. So nice, I really like it. There is a lot of space, lots of it. Look at the bed from this angle. Very nice and spacious room. Nice, family friendly, not too much noise going on, quiet. So if you like peace and quiet, this is the place for you guys. Very luscious with fruits and flowers. It's a blend of fruits and flowers here, guys. You will find your mango trees here, your breadfruit tree, ackee tree, what did I see, banana tree, and all those things is on the property. And the sea is right behind all this. You're just checking in. This is where you come and you're just checking. We have the buffet area over there early morning. Have your breakfast. You can get your little outfits over here. And the pool is right over there. And then you have your bar area over there. Margaritaville is right down the street, guys. You don't have to go too far for fun. And this is the dining over there. breakfast looking like. Hallelujah. What's the dining room look right there? Tennis court is right here. You'll see. Bar area over there. Back in the days they used to keep stage show here and all of those type of things, but now it's all cottages, and it's a really big hotel. Different cottages spreading all over the property. And as you can see, we have lounge area over there. We have nice tables and chair. You can sit up here and you can eat up here. You can hang out up here, even though most of the activities are going on downstairs. But this is a nice lookout area. Look at the view over there. Check your view out. We have the pool right here. We have the sea over there. So you can come upstairs here, sit down, have your breakfast or eat your dinner. And look at the beach over there. Lots of activities going on, guys. It's about like 10 o'clock right now. Everybody is heading on out to the beach. Look at nice palm trees. Somebody over there getting the massage and all of that. Over there. So I'm walking over on the other side to the parking lot. So this is a huge place upstairs here. Seems like we have a little office around the corner here. And this is the parking lot.
All right, Mom.
Yeah, we're good. So this is your front entrance, guys. This is where you drive in to come down to the beach area. And we have the gift shop over there. And this is, like I said, this is where you park your cars. Nice huge factory right here. Bring up Patrick. Party.
Why are you?
Look by you.
All right.
Yes,
Yes, guys.
what about go?
Yellow. God of the best bartender. Just coming into
Yeah, man.
Patrick. If you come to Trios Club, ask the Patrick. And now, guys, look at this little area up here. Nice little balcony area up here. Ideal for parties and get-togethers. Ideal for party and get-togethers. That's the dining room down there. And as you can see, the kitchen is right there. We have the bar over there. And we have tennis court right down there. You want to just hit a couple of balls. Let us see the dining room. Alright, so hang on nice place. And guys, guess what? Here you get full continental breakfast. When I say breakfast, I mean breakfast. Not no just pastry and a little orange juice. You get the full package. You get callaloo, fried dumpling, eggs, whatever you want, compared to other places. So this is nice. This is a nice place to be. Nice atmosphere, friendly people. And as you can see, we have the hardwood chair up here. So now I need a thumbnail. Alright, so I'm sitting here, guys, waiting for breakfast at this nice little table. This is what it looks like with all the settings and stuff. Good morning.
Good morning. Now
Yes,
when
ma'am.
we get there, if you're back to the nice hotel now.
I may have said that don't make no sense.
Everybody.
Breakfast here. I'll show you my breakfast. Can you imagine? This is continental. It comes with your reservation. Free breakfast in the morning. So this is my callaloo, my fried dumpling, my piece of cake right here, some stewed chicken, hash brown. Then over here I have my bowl of porridge. I have some coffee over here, some OJ. And here you go, guys, my fruits. Which is very good because you know some places they say continental breakfast and all you get is some pastry and if you're lucky, a few pieces of fruits and what else they get? Some coffee. That's it. But look at it. Up here at Tree House Club you get a variety of things. You can even order pancake, eggs, and whatever you want. It's a full deal, buffet style. So I feel like this is very good. It's a full breakfast. So and like I said to you, you're not gonna get this everywhere. Continental breakfast mean pastry, sweet pastry, and all of that. But this is it, guys, at Tree House Club. You get anything you want. You just tell them and they will make it for you. And it's also buffet style. Look at it. We all have stewed chicken right here. So stewed chicken, callaloo, roots, you name it. It's up here. Tree House Club. Right up on the beach in Negril. Here is a little messy because of the wind. But I think it's looking pretty good. And as you can see, people just having fun eating breakfast. Full Jamaican breakfast. Good vibes. Bar area. Down there's a good vibe from by Tree House Club in Negril. Nice. Bar area. Alright guys, I'm here with Patrick. I'm at the bar, Tree House Club. So see man, the best bartender in
I'm just taking it easy, you know.
Hey Patrick, what's up? How many years doing this?
Yeah, it's about 20 years now, this place, 22
20 years. Man, you're a veteran man.
Yeah, here at one place, you know. I've been here in a long while.
Yeah, man, I watch you at work. I like how you deal with the
Yeah,
people
yeah,
there.
yeah,
Good
yeah.
vibes.
Good vibe. You have to have good vibes, you know.
Patrick have it, man. Patrick no short of the vibe, brother.
Yeah, yeah.
Very popular guy, see? Gone again. And as you can see, guys, Patrick is very busy.
Yeah, man.
So let me take you out. As you see, it's about like what, 12 o'clock now. See, it's full. Everybody. Wow. Sun in Jamaica up the big Tree House Club. And see, as you can see, full here today. Everybody is out. peak season now. There's a lot of people in Jamaica now at this time. So guys, around is here. What is busy? Mixing up is. There's a new drink. What is the name of the drink? Dirty banana. And they have a new drink here, dirty banana. We tried it. Pretty much what? Banana and liquor, milk. It's pretty good. Actually, dirty banana when you come to Sales Club. I asked the man, Patrick, as you can see, this is doing its magic with all these different drinks and liquor. Blender is running. And there's people around just having good time. Yeah, I'm not a drinker still. I'm just here taking it the scene. Having my one little fruit drinking. You know, way I make some tick. Brenda run, Brenda not stopping. Brenda do not stop at the bar. As you can see, we have all types of people. Real slow. Guitar man passing by right there. Shells for sale. Shell man, what one? How much for the shop?
Nah, charge a big.
You not charge me?
Nah, charge a big.
Name?
Jaim.
Jaim.
Yeah.
How much for those?
$5, I'm saying $1.
$5.
Good price, man. If you have $3, you get one sale.
But we just come on here, man. You pass by?
Yeah, now walk up this and come back.
Alright, walk up so I come back, man.
Alright.
Alright, good.
Daddy, no shell. Respect, yeah?
So we have Music Man and the Shell Man passing through $5 a one.
At morning breaks, heaven up high, I lift my heavy load to the skies. The sun comes down, it's a burning glow.
Guys, you sit here and you lunch here and you listen to nice music from this Music Man with his guitar. I give him a tip still. Give him a tip and that's good. That's his little tip jar there on the sun.
On my days, I will sing and pray of your fires, water that shining sun. I saw a woman on bended knees, cutting care for her families. I saw men by the waterside, casting their nets of the surging tide. Oh, island in the sun, waits to me by my father's hand. All my days I will sing and pray of your forest waters and shining sun. I hope the day may never come when I can awake to the sound of John. Never make me miss this carnival. Oh, I could see that songs. Oh, I
So guys, that's the Music Man right there. Entertaining his guests. So you get all that. And that's the nice sky. We have some clouds. It's a beautiful day. Lots of people in the water. Just relaxing. this morning.